Get your computer or smartphone ready, as I'm about to show you how to do this. The first thing you want to do is go to this website that we'll be using, which is called 𝐌𝐚𝐤𝐬𝐧𝐠. Now, some of you might say, okay, I got the site, I'll go do it. But listen, if you don't do it the way I show you, you're not going to make any money because I'll be giving you the tips and tricks. As I mentioned, this is going to be a very simple tutorial. All you have to do is search Google. As you can see if you scroll down here, it says delivering innovative ideas to the world's top brands. This means that a lot of businesses use this website to ask questions because they want people like you and me to share their knowledge and ideas on any given topic. You can see that we have some major global brands here, including Pepsi, Microsoft, Coca-Cola, Spotify, and so on. Once you've clicked, I'm a problem solver, you'll be taken to this page. Scroll down a bit and click, Become a 𝐌𝐚𝐤𝐬𝐧𝐠 solver to continue. Sumo solver. Now that you've watched the video, I want you to pay close attention because there are a few challenging questions ahead. Don't worry, I'll make everything very simple for you. Just do as I say and click where I click to start earning money immediately. The first few questions are simple. Just enter your name, last name, location, your country, email address, and password here. By the way, be sure to enter your PayPal email address here, because that is how they will pay you. They also pay via PayPal and Bitcoin. Next, choose your gender before entering your birth date. For creativity skills, select average proficiency. Do not select low proficiency or no proficiency. When asked why you are interested in using 𝐌𝐚𝐤𝐬𝐧𝐠, you can respond with something like, I enjoy writing, or something similar. When asked what kinds of projects you are interested in taking on, you can respond with something like, I enjoy writing articles and answering questions. Do the same for marketing skills, and make sure to select average proficiency here. Then click, Sign Up. Once you do that, log into your account, and this is what it will look like. Scroll down here to see the challenges and questions you can take part in. This one will pay you $800, this one will pay you $1,600, and so on. However, these are not the final prices. Typically, you will be paid between $200 and $1,000 for a single article. I'll explain why later. We just went to 𝐌𝐚𝐤𝐬𝐧𝐠 leaders, where you can see how much people here make each month. This person recently made this many. There are actually hundreds of thousands of people here that are making money using this website, and these offers are constantly updated while I'm recording this video. These are the offerings that are currently accessible, but you can find more in the many categories listed here, such as business products, insights, and other categories, now that you are familiar with the website and are aware of what is going on. So pay attention right now. Now that I've explained everything you need to know to start earning money, I'll also share with you my personal method for getting your responses and articles published on this website. To get started, simply click on one of the challenges listed below. For instance, click this one. It will open up like this. You only need to write an article and submit it here to get started earning your first $1,000. The rest will depend on your content. It's not just about finding articles and then submitting them to this website. I'll show you how to get these articles from Google in a moment. However, there is one more trick that I will reveal to you later in the video to get your articles accepted here, and that is what most people don't know, which prevents their articles from being accepted. Now let's move on to the next step, where we will be using Google. Now you can look at the topics that they need answer to is stated here on the website. Simply copy it, then go back to Google and paste it here in the search bar. Then click Search. The next step is to simply click on one of these results right here. As an illustration, let's use this one. I'll just click it, and you'll notice that it takes you to Quora.com. You can connect with people who have unique insights and provide high-quality answers on the platform Quora. Frequently, you can discover the answers there. Now let's compare the two questions to make sure they are the same. As you can see, yes, they are exactly the same, so let's say you found the answer on Quora like this one. I will show you what to do when you find the answer on Quora as well as what to do if you find the answer on another website. Let's say you didn't find the answer on Quora, so let's return to the search bar right here. All you will need to do at that point is simply open a few of these search results in new tabs. Sometimes you'll also need to spend more time searching Google for the appropriate article. Now, just open each web page in a new tab and browse through each one of these pages. The next thing you should do is simply visit the website, spinbot.com. Basically, this bot will change your article into a completely new one. Just paste your article here as shown, select Basic Spin, and now, as you can see, your original article is ready for use. Click here to copy it, and no one will be able to claim that you didn't write it yourself anymore because it is now 100% original. As you can see here, this is all there is to it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel or follow us for more valuable tips, updates, and exclusive opportunities to maximize your earning potential. It's time to turn your typing skills into cash.